In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Call of Duty Mobile authorization error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, mobile data, and Wi-Fi. Sometimes a weak connection can stop the game from verifying your account properly. Next, use to check the server status of COD. So launch your preferred browser, type in Call of Duty server status and search for it. Now navigate to the website, Down Detector. Here, you're gonna find the service status of Call of Duty. If there are any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Next, completely close the game and reopen it. Likewise, clear cache for the app. So launch your settings, go to the option General. Here, you're gonna find the option of iPhone storage, click on it, find Call of Duty and launch it. Now click on Offload app and confirm it. In the Android device, press and hold on the app, select the option App Info, click on the option Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. So navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Call of Duty. Once app appears, if you see the option Update, click on it. Likewise, if you use Facebook, Google Activation to log in, try signing out, then sign in again. Some players have also reported login issues connected to Facebook authorization or specific devices. If nothing works, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. This gives you a clean installation and replaces corrupted files that may be causing the authorization error. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.